let it go. I just wanna see you happy.
Brinks truck. $100,000, give a link up, yeah. All this drip on me, I put the sink up. Bad bitch, link up, link up. I just pull up in a Brinks truck, and I brought some young bad bitches in here.
Today we're making slime and we only got the bowl halfway done. And we still need to put these in.
Okay, go ahead and start opening those ones. She already put 2 in.
Yeah, now we're gonna add these ones in. Okay, guys, it's kind of hard to open it though. Okay, now when you see this comes out, look, watch it. Okay. You know my mom's actually recording me right now?
Yes, I am.
And I
Yeah.
got lots of gifts on my
No, don't do that. You're gonna be sticky.
Okay.
Come on, let's put the other ones in there. It's only a little bit right now.
Okay. So
You're
we're gonna
doing good though.
put this one in now.
Yes.
Okay.
How many times have you made goo?
Only like 1, 2, 3, 4 times.
Oh, 4 times?
Yeah.
Oh, you like making goo?
Yes.
This is your first time doing the clear one.
Yes.
But you have to make sure they're all empty.
Yeah. But make sure you do not try this at home.
No, tell them to try this at home.
Yeah, you better try this. But before you do it, ask your parents.
Yes, please ask your parents.
But don't lie, or you're gonna get in big trouble.
Well, this is a good thing, and you know, keep the kids busy. Quarantine right now.
Yeah, because a whole coronavirus never stopped.
It will stop. We'll see past this.
Yes, but they said that no kids going to school for like no month a day.
Okay. So right now she's just adding the glue in first.
And then we're gonna start like coloring.
She added five of these little glues.
No, wait,
We
there's
got them
actually
from
more
the
for-
it's 5 of them.
Yeah.
We got them from the regular 99-cent store for $1.
Yes. and
Everything
got
that
some
we
paint
have,
and
we
glue.
basically, this was $1.29,
Yep.
and this was $1. Literally $3, and she's gonna have a whole bunch of glue.
Yeah. So guys, we're already done. Wait, get them a little more here.
Okay. Make sure. See, she's so anxious.
Okay. Now we're gonna mix it.
Now, what color do you want it to be?
Pink. I like pink.
Okay, well go ahead and add whatever you want.
Okay. It's hard, Mom. Can you do it? Oh, never mind. Nice.
No, don't stir it until you put all the colors in. You want me to help you?
I got it. Okay, I do need help.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Just hold the glue down. I mean the paint down. Hold it tight. You want white?
Yeah, and pink.
Okay.
Now we have this one.
Well, you didn't do this right, so we're gonna start over.
We're back, guys. We have to cut the video because we have to add the pink. So let's start mixing.
Okay, mix it.
Oh, you see that, guys? A nice and very cute color. See how it's turned out? So this is the color I want it to be, like pink. See how it's turning? Because it's clear. Okay, let's get
Okay, this is just the glue
Yeah.
and the paint.
Yeah.
You know, you can use whatever you like
Yeah.
to make it colorful. Go get the rubber bands.
Yeah.
And we just decided to use paint because it works just as well.
Yep, it does. And we got the rubber bands. Let's add it in.
Go ahead. And she wants to add rubber bands.
Cause so it can be crunchy. Cause my dad has swept the confetti. And now it's
Okay.
gonna be kind of like this.
Now,
Activator time.
hold this.
Yes.
What do we do next?
Activator.
What do we do next?
Activator.
What is next?
Activator.
Basically gonna use this for
Yes.
activator.
Oh,
There we go.
we're gonna glue on me. I think we added too much activator.
No, not yet. Let me see.
Look how it turns.
You gotta mix it, Jay.
Can I use my hands too?
Yep.
We're gonna put these. Hi, Mommy.
You wanna start mixing.
Mom, where do I put these? Like break a slime.
Mm-hmm.
Now where do I put these? What do I know to put in the trash? Okay. We're back. I'm back, guys, so we're gonna be mixing. Okay. It's my first time like making this. It's so gluey.
Jay,
Yes?
I think it was a fail.
What
But
happened?
keeps mixing and let's see. We may have added too much. Well, Mommy might have added too much activator.
Yeah.
We may need to get another glue.
Okay. There's no more glue, Mommy. It has run glue.
It's okay. We could go to the store tomorrow.
Oh, look, it's turning to slime.
Oh, yes, it is.
But we need to wash it.
Okay.
Okay. It's so slimy, guys. Look at it. Do you hear the crunches? It's kind of like sticky.
Oh, you did a good job.
Stretchy. So, you see the crunches? See the crunch down? There
Okay,
you go.
sorry guys. Had to stop the camera one more time to help her. But basically she has it formed now.
Yeah, because look at it, guys.
I thought that I might have poured too much, but it actually came out crunchy and lovely, just how she likes it.
Yep, and it's so glittery.
So how did it come out?
Good. Bye, guys. I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel.